How to get your Roblox user ID on mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser. After that, click on search bar and then search roblox.com. And here, click on continue in browser at the bottom. After you click on continue in browser, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile at the top with avatar on it. Simply click on your profile and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top, simply click on your search bar. In your search bar, after users, you will find the numbers, and that number is your user ID. Simply select and then copy. This is how to get your Roblox user ID on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.